Alicia likes dancing. She hopes she can be a cheerleader someday. My day-to-day work isn't interesting. I wish I could do something more creative. When we're together, all she talks about is business. I wish she were more romantic. Tina has her driving test today. I hope she makes it. I'm kind of tired but need to work. I wish I could sleep now. I have a lot of work to do, but I hope I can finish it by 3 p.m. Sarah doesn't have much free time. She wishes she could spend more time with her friends. Maria wants to be a writer. She hopes she can publish a book one day. Emma is working on a big project. She hopes she can finish it by next week. Lucy doesn't have enough time for hobbies. She wishes she had more free time.